This is the Oraimo SilkLine USB cables. Okay, it comes with USB A to USB C. That's USB A to Type C, and also Type C to Type C. Okay, so let me just take you through this in a short video. After that, we will talk about this, whether it supports fast charging or not. Okay, so let's start with this and let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with it. Let's go. So this is the device. We have this. Let's unbox it. The unboxing is very nice. One thing I always say about Oraimo is that they are always good at unboxing. So this is for iPhone users. Okay, there is a USB A. There is a USB A, and this is the iPhone lightning cable right here. All right, so yes, there is it. There is the first one, and let's say with the anti-bendable that I was talking about. Let's see. You can see, and as I bend, the way I leave it, you can see it for yourself. So I would say with the anti-bendable, it's true. It's working fine because the moment you bend everything, that's why even with them, they have this to keep it steady in shape. You get it? So the moment you leave it, and then it starts to unbend, you get it. So it is anti-bendable, and I think the anti-bendable is true with the iPhone cord. Now let's get to another one. That's this from Oraimo as well. Inside it we have this. There's a lightning cable to the iPhone port. Okay, so yes, this one too looks the same, anti-bendable. I think because it has scored in it for a long time, that's why it has taken that shape. But trust me, the anti-bendable is very true. Okay, it's very true. The moment you leave it, the moment you put it down, it will uncoil, okay, or unbend. So the anti-bendable is true. So we have these. I bought all these because I want you to know how every one of these USB devices, the cord looks like. Okay, so just make sure you like the video for me so that I can keep doing this for you as well, and subscribe if you're interested. Any Oraimo product want me to unbox, just comment it in the comment section. Now let's get to another one. I'll also use one or two of these devices to show you the strength. You get it, like the watt. Although Oraimo stated that the USB A to the lightning cable have that 20 watt, but with the USB C to USB C, that is the Type C to Type C. Let me just show you this. From the Type C to the Type C, or Type C to the iPhone, in a way, it has fast charge compared to the other one. So one thing is, as you are ordering it, it comes with different colors. So you may not be able to choose a particular color, but the moment you receive it, you will get to know of the color that you get. Okay, so with the color, you will not be able to select the color. Okay, yes. So with the USB C to USB C has a fast charge compared to the USB A to the USB C. Okay, so yes, according to their website, that is what I got to know, and we have it here. Okay, so you can see that with the Type C, that is the lightning cable, the Type C to the lightning output is 60 watts, but the USB A is 12 watt. This is 12 watt, but with the other one that I checked, it was like 20 watts. It is lower compared to the USB C to C. So the C to C is always faster compared to the A to C. You get it? Okay, so yeah, that's how it goes with the speed when you are using these devices for charging your device. Okay, so in all, we have like 4 of these. So the first thing that I would like to talk about the Oraimo SilkLine is the option that is not available when you are purchasing the device. So if you are someone who don't like the cream color or the white color or the black color, yes, it will come with that because you don't have any option to choose from. Okay, so I think it's something that Oraimo should work on and bring that option where people can select any color that they want on any device. I mean the Type C to Type C or whatever that the person wants. Okay, so that is one thing that I am suggesting it should come on board. And my personal experience with the device is in two ways: the good and then the bad. And with the good side, I would say that it supports fast charging. Everything was fine with that. I did not experience any issue. It was charging my device very fast, very good, depending on the charger head that I'm using. So if the charger head supports fast charging, then boom, yes, that is everything goes well with that. Okay, but if the charger head doesn't support fast charging, then I shouldn't be expecting the Oraimo SilkLine giving me that, fast charging. Okay, I would say yes, it was good, it was perfect. I love how it is, how it was made, the durability, anti bendable, everything was perfect, was good. But the bad side of it is this: when I charged, okay, there was one night that this happened, and it was like I was really confused, and I was like, what really happened? Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is what happened to my Oraimo Silk line, and it is something that I think is because the Oraimo Silk line is not able to stand the heat. Okay, you see, when a device supports fast charge, mostly you will see the charger head heating up. Okay, mostly the phone will also start to heat up. Okay, so the charger head and then the smartphone will start heating up. And if a smartphone if a charger head is heating, then the cord connected to it, the tip of it will also start heating. So here is the case whereby Oraimo Silk line is not able to stand to the heat produced by the charger head, okay, and therefore it will start to melt. So I think that the materials that was used to make the silk line, that is causing the issue. So I think it is something that Oraimo should pay attention to them. Okay, they should work on this for all their silk line, because this is a very bad experience. I slept, and then the next morning I woke up and I saw this. I was like, really? Really, it was bad, it was sad, and it could have blasted. Okay, looking at how or the state of the issue. Okay, so I think Oraimo should work on this. It should be something that we should be tagging Oraimo to work on that. Okay, if the tip should be made like non-heatable or something, not be heat resistant. Okay, let me say it that way, heat resistant, it will be very good. Okay, because the device is very perfect. I love how it was. Okay, I was able to charge it with my Oraimo power jet. Okay, so I connect the Type C to my power jet, and then I connect it to my laptop. So always I was enjoying that until one day I woke up and I was charging the power jet with it. Okay, so the the charger head was in the socket, connected to the Oraimo Silk line, connected to the power jet, and then the next morning I woke up and I saw that nah, the thing has melted. So this is something that I experienced with the device. Apart from that, nothing. There is no issue with that. Okay, so if you will be charging your device using the Oraimo Silk line, and that device that you're going to use to charge will draw more power, that will cause your charger head to heat up, then unluckily for you, you may experience that. Maybe a lot of people are experiencing it and they are not saying, but since I am to say whatever that I experience with the device, this is what I came up with. So it is good, but this is what I face. So Oraimo work on the materials, okay, that you use to make the Oraimo Silk line. Maybe the tip of it, you can make it in another form that will be against heating. Okay, that will prevent the melting of the tip of the device. It's very good. So I'll see you in another video. This is my thoughts, this is my experience with it, and this is what I have to say about the Oraimo Silk line. There are a lot of Oraimo devices that we are talking about right here. You can check my profile or check in the comment section description. I'll put links there. You can go and check it yourself. There is more and more. Okay, so I'll see you in another video. Stay alive and let me know what other device you want me to unbox and talk about right here on this platform. Bye for now.